What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another episode of Riding and Rambling. Me and my buddy Curtis, you see right here, we just came off of Little Cottonwood Canyon here in Utah because I asked him if he would take some of his cool photos of my DYNA. So if you don't know or haven't started following Curtis from one of my first videos, K Reed Photos on Instagram, he takes some epic motorcycle shots. So I wanted one, and yeah, I asked, and he said he would do it, and we went up there, took some cool pictures, and now we're headed home in the dark. I don't have a clear shield, but yeah, it's been a minute since I've done a riding and rambling video. You know, I've just been out and about on my bike, and things are finally starting to cool down. But where have we been? So we were supposed to go to Canada, and I could not go to Canada. Jasper was on fire, and a lot of people lost a lot out there, so it was very sad. But because of the fires up there, Washington and Oregon, most of our trip would have to be canceled. So instead, my wife was with me at the bike shop, and they were headed to Sturgis, and my wife told me, like, hey dude, why don't you just head out to Sturgis with the guys? And so that's what I ended up doing, and I'm sure you guys have seen by now the Sturgis videos. It was a ton of fun. You know, we had a lot that went wrong, but most went right. And the best thing about it is everybody was in a good mood. Everybody enjoyed each other's company. And the one ride we did, whoa, you know, we had our ride there, and that was epic. The ride that we did at Sturgis, Iron Mountain Road, is one of my favorites out there, so that was really cool. And then the ride home, poor Tyler, man, he rode on the back of my bike from Sturgis to Utah. What a trooper. And it is actually a lot of fun to ride corners with somebody on the back that's a biker, because when you guys both get leaning into those corners, it is so much fun. It's hard to explain. Like, I don't know, the bike just sucks into those corners, man, and then you're gone. But what else? So Four Corners Rally came and gone as well. I didn't get to go to that. I'm pretty much out of time off at my job. You know, I really thought I was going to be able to use credit to pad my annual leave, but you know, it didn't work as good as I thought. But I still had an epic year, and I'm very stoked on that. There's a lot of scenic rides here in Utah that I really want to do, and I want to show you guys. And maybe some of you guys are subscribers from Utah, have a bike, but don't really get out too much or don't know where to ride. So that's kind of a couple of the videos that I've been thinking about doing. You know, just you know, check out this ride. It's, you know, right off the I-15 freeway and only about a 2-hour fucking round trip. So that type of thing I thought would be cool, because when I first moved out here, I definitely did not know where to go until I started meeting people in the community. So that's huge too. Speaking about people in the community, reach out wherever you are. Your people are always out there, and this motorcycle community, man, go to the bike nights, go to the bike shows, and go get out and meet some riders, man. Meet some people to ride with, because they'll definitely have other rides that you haven't done, or you know, you're feeling off a day and you need to go riding, and they'll be right there waiting to ride with you. So definitely get out into the community, put yourself out there, meet some cool people. And that's exactly what I've done, and that's the only way I met anybody out here in Utah, because I'm not actually originally from here. But the bike scene out here is a lot of fun, a lot of cool people, and I mean, we do have some of the best riding in the country, in my opinion. So again, get out there, man, meet the community, meet some friends to ride with. And for me tonight, it's a day off, but I'm pretty much on 6 days a week right now, so I'll be headed to work tomorrow, and then I get a day off on Tuesday, so that'll be pretty nice. Get to kind of just hang out with the dogs, get stuff done around the house. But yeah, man, this so far, I mean, the YouTube journey itself has been a ton of fun. I'm learning so much, man, and everybody's kind of chipping in. A lot of friends are helping me with suggestions and stuff, and that's been really cool. A person I do want to give a shout out to before I end this video is Southern Hogs. You'll see him. He comments on every one of my videos. I feel like him and I started YouTube around the same time, and he puts out some awesome content from the South. So head over to Southern Hogs, go check him out, dude. Really solid dude, great content, great quality footage. Yeah, check out my guy, man, because he might be coming out here next year and we might be doing something together. So yeah, definitely want to start watching his stuff so you can be in the loop. All right, guys. Well, as always, man, thanks for watching ATC Jeremy Rides. I really do appreciate you guys. Please like the video if you can. Comment down below if you have something to say, and subscribe if you don't mind. Anyways, we'll catch you on the next one.